guys, welcome to Nested Gardens. I am Jackie. This is Tabitha, and we are here today. We are going to do a quick and simple tutorial about how to make paper pots. So maybe you're starting seeds this year and you've either just getting started for the first time and you don't have a lot of pots, or you ordered too many seeds like I do all the time and have run out of your regulars, and so you need some backups. So we've got you covered. We are going to learn how to make these ones using my handy dandy favorite thing, the phone book. Now, I am one of those people who still does use the phone book for regular phone book things, but I also love it because as opposed to newspaper and flyers, it's a consistent size. You get a new copy every year, so I use the old backdated versions, and it's the perfect size for what we're doing. So we're making these little paper pots. These I find are best for tomatoes because you can fill them up halfway, plant your seed, and then as your tomato grows up, you can backfill it. And then Tabitha's got the other one that we're making. So that's a hybrid of, can you guess what that's made of?
Paper, toilet paper, and
phone book.
Phone book.
Right, toilet paper, roll, and phone book. So those are cute, aren't they cute?
I know, they are.
They're so itty bitty. Anyway, so we're going to make those for the smaller seeds. First we need a toilet paper roll.
Toilet paper roll.
And we're going to
cut it
in
2 halves.
Okay. She's not ever done this before, so it is obvious that this is super simple and easy. Do you want me to hold it? Yeah, cut it in half. Great.
It's hard.
So now we each have one of these. We're going to grab one sheet. We're going to fold it in half. Then using something that's smaller than the toilet paper roll, so something that'll fit in through it, the center, we're going to wrap it. Hold on, listen. We're going to wrap it around like this. We're going to put it right at the base in the center, and then just kind of fold it around like this, gently.
And then just
stick that around. When that's all way in, then we just slide out the plunger, and then take the sides, and we can just fold them over the edges.
Cuties.
And then, once we have our cutie patootie little pots, we're going to go over to our potting soil, and we're going to fill them up,
which is right there,
with potting soil. So now we're going to try and do the bigger ones. So the phone book pots. And I used to make them actually just with one layer of paper, but I've switched to doing it with 2 just because by the end of the 8 or 10 weeks that your tomato seedlings are in there, the newsprint paper, it actually starts to break down. So with 2 layers, it just makes it a little bit more sturdy. So first what you're going to do is grab your 2 sheets, just tear them on out of there, and then fold it down just about 1/5 of the way. I like the phone books also because it kind of has little guidelines so you can keep it consistent. And then we're going to find something to wrap it around. So depending on what size your container is, your base container that you put it in, you want to find something that's smaller than a glass width, but I use this. This is my old rolling pin that broke, or we use a bottle.
Yeah, I was using
Okay, so I'm going to show you. So first we got to fold down the edge. So like this, Tabitha. First step, fold down the edge.
Can you do that?
Well, here, how about I'll give you mine?
Yay!
With the edge just folded down like this. And what this does is it makes a little space for us that we can tuck in. And so then we're going to wrap it around our 2.
Yeah.
So once we have it tucked around, then we've got it off the edge. And we're going to fold it in 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And there's our little pot. And then I always put it on the table and kind of smush it down. And then cut it with my hands to pull it out. And there's our pot. If I'm not supporting the base, then it'll kind of fall apart. So it's important to support the base. And then back to the potting soil to fill it up. And I only fill it up halfway. Like I said, when I do tomatoes, I put the seed in when it's half full. And then once it shoots up, it germinates, gets its little leaves over the edge of the pot. Then I fill up the rest with soil. Because with the tomato plant, along the stem,
Mommy,
there's little hairs, and those turn into roots. Okay, so tuck it, tuck it, tuck it. Hold on, let's make sure it's nice and snug in there around the thing.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Flip it down. Smoosh it on the ground. There you go.
Try not to break the glass bottle.
Yeah. And then hold the bottom, pull it out. There you go. You did it.
Yay!
Awesome.
I'm not a natural at this.
Sure you are. Okay, now let's fill her up.
Okay. Well, as you can see here, I'm just going to carefully take this out. This is mine I made. It looks pretty good. And it's okay if you make a few mistakes. You can maybe just undo it. If you rip it, it's okay. And you have all of this that you can.
So, happy growing. Good luck. And if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Okay. See you guys later. Bye.
Bye.